Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today I go to the OPPO offline store and hands on the OPPO new foldable device, OPPO N3Flip. So this is also a very cool foldable device from OPPO, and this time, as you can see, they provide a much bigger outside screen. It's get 3.26-inch OLED screen, and it's have a good display performance, and you can use it to take pictures, show videos, and also this time they work with Hasplay to provide the camera solutions. So this is very nice specifications on the camera and the screen, and also this time to provide three colors: the golden, the pink, between pink and purple, and also a black color. And this is the unfolded, and for the inside it gets a 6.8-inch TPO AMOLED display, and it's called 120Hz refresh rate and P3 wide color range, and the display resolution reach to 3 HD plus. And also here's the information about the device: 3 battery, camera, processor. And this time they get it is used the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chips, and these are 4nm chips. So can be more low consumption of the efficient and the working. And also the RAM and ROM, 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. It's support 26GB RAM. It supports LTE-5 and UFS 3.1. And also for the battery, it supports 44W fast charging with 4300 dual cell battery. As for the camera, so this is a half fold device. So this will divide to two parts. One is for the camera, and another is for the touch panel. You can control it. And for the camera, is get a triple camera system, 50 megapixel wide angle, 48 megapixel portrait, and 32 megapixel third camera. Yes. So there is one for the portrait mode. It's just very nice, and also work with Hasplay, so you easy to get your masterpiece photos. And also the wide angle is for the OIS and full pixel focus. So it's easy to get a good quality photos. Here is folded, and we can use it to watch short movies from TikTok or the Chinese Douyin. So this is very convenient and really save your time. You no need to unfold it. This is pretty good, and also it's one of convenient. And for this outside screen is rich to bright, peak brightness 600 nit. Also flagship screen. Yes, more apps you can add, or you can edit it. It is very convenient. Unfold it. Camera test. Wide angle 1 times 3.6. 1 time. 2 times, 3 times. Yeah. Front camera. So I would say totally this device can be one of your perfect standby or second smartphone, and it's easy to hands-on, and easy to get, and easy to hold, and the weight is only 198 grams. So here are more pictures, you can enjoy it.